quick little video running this thing here. It's an Indian skull. Been running for about 6 hours, but I got this CNC from AliExpress. One of the pieces of plastic is gross. Didn't give me enough screws. Not enough screws to even put it together. It was missing this relay. I just got this yesterday. No directions. I mean, you name it. It took me 2 months to even get this thing going. But if there's any help on, if anybody can help me out there on how to wire this relay up, because I really don't want to go into that Arduino if I don't have to, and start reprogramming things. I'm not really familiar with the Arduino, but if anybody can give me any pointers on that, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.